Purchasing an extended service contract. The best time to purchase an extended service contract is when you're buying a new car or a newer car that is still under manufactured warranty. Let me say it again. The best time to purchase a extended service contract or extended warranty is still under manufacturer warranty. Why? Because it's cheaper. Number two is, why do you want to purchase an extended service contract? It's because you want to not have financial stress. When something goes wrong with your vehicle, we stress, right? We panic. But if you're covered, you're not going to panic as much. And then let me give you another huge hint. Oh my God, this is huge. If you're going to purchase a used car under 80,000 miles, that makes a lot of sense, or the best sense, when it comes to getting an extended service contract. Purchase a vehicle under 80,000 miles when it comes to used cars. Anytime you get over 80, everybody knows things start going wrong. Things that you don't expect to go wrong. Even on the Carfax or the auto check, whatever it is that talks about where your car was serviced, if it was reported to the Carfax. Remember, things are not always reported to the Carfax. They're always not reported. Sometimes, or a lot of times, you really don't know what went on with that vehicle. All right, I hope this helped. If this helped you, share this video. Because every time I drop a video, what do? I share huge nuggets. All right, guys, you know what to do. And if you don't know what to do, let me tell you. Go to my YouTube page, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit. Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit. And do what? And subscribe. Because you'll be notified every time I drop a video. All right.